Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, we have a run deal at Family Dollar. Plus, I found a few freebies that I have to share with you all. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so I am back home. I just got back from the wonderful Family Dollar store. Man, we have been getting some really good deals there here lately, right? So, I knew about this deal earlier in the week. However, I wanted to go to the store and actually try it out before I posted it. And, you know, that way I could give you guys the full detail, you know, tell y'all how everything worked out. So, I did get time to run down to the Family Dollar. It's a little bit out of my way, so I did get time to go and do that today. And I also found a few more freebies that I wanted to share with you all. So let's go ahead and jump right into this deal. All right. So this week at Family Dollar, we have TracFone phones. Okay. These are normally, I want to say $29.99. I'm going to pop it up on the screen there for you all so you can see. All right, $29.99, but they are on sale this week for $19.99. Plus, we have a $10 coupon. So, that is going to leave you paying $9.99. Now, the only reason why I say that this is a run deal, because it is a legit deal. It's not necessarily a glitch. But I do think it is a run deal because at my store, they only had 2 left. So I was able to grab both of those, but let me go ahead and tell you, they did give me a little bit of trouble, because they said that they had received a memo from corporate saying that they were only allowed to sell 1 phone per person per day. So I'm not quite sure what is up with that. I don't know why Family Dollar would limit, people buying phones. I would, you know, I don't know. That's just... You would think if you wanted to go in there and buy 5 phones that you could do it, but I don't know. That's just coming from the 2 cashiers that were there, and that's just what I was told. So if you guys run into that, just be prepared. Now, I was able to kind of, you know, do a little sweet talking, and I was like, oh, really, man, that really stinks, because I was going to get both of my kids a phone at the same time, and I saw you guys had a really good deal on them this week. So while they were on sale and we had a coupon, I was going to go ahead and pick up 2. So she kind of, you know, was like, well, let me call the manager over here. And the manager was like, do you have anybody else with you? Of course, I was like, nope. And I'm not going to come back later and waste all of that gas. So she finally gave in. She was like, well, we can do 1-in-1 transaction and then like let somebody else go in front of you and then do another transaction. But we can't do it back to back. I'm not sure what's going on with that. That's the first I have ever been told that you can only buy 1 of something at a store. But hey, just passing along that information to you all so that you are prepared just in case you guys get the same story. Now, with that being said, I do plan on going back, even though my store only had 2 of the TracFones. I wanted to go ahead and grab those before they were gone. But I do plan on going back on Saturday, especially because they did have some more of the more expensive ones. So we have 2 other cell phones that this coupon is working with. One is on sale this week for $29.99, and the other one is on sale for $44.99. I do believe. I'll pop up the screenshots for you all so you can check it out. But I thought, you know what, I'll go ahead and grab these cheap ones now, and then I'll come back on Saturday and use my 5 off 25 and that $10 coupon and get the more expensive phone, because hey, I have kids. They are always cracking their screens. Plus, I could definitely use an extra phone just for my couponing apps alone. Those things take up so much room on my phone. I'm constantly deleting things. So, again, I'm going to say that this is a run deal. Like I said, my store only had 2 in stock. And unfortunately, I only have 1 Family Dollar near me. We used to have 2, but the other one did shut down a few years back. So if you have multiple stores in your area, you might be able to, hit up a couple of stores and get a few of these phones for just $9.99. Or like I said, you can just save that coupon for Saturday and throw it in with the 5 off 25. And if you do want to do that, I have an amazing transaction for you all. So make sure that you stick around until the end. Now, I also want to go ahead and let you all know that when you make a new Family Dollar couponing account, you do get a 5 off $25 coupon that you can use any day of the week. So I just made a new one for my son with his phone number, and that was kind of the plan today. I was going to do a 5 off $25 scenario. However, I got into the store and I started looking around, and I found that they had a lot of the Febreze Air Effects, the holiday scented ones. So, unfortunately, where this store is located at, I do not get any service on my phone. So I could not scan them to price check. I should have asked the lady at the front to price check it for me before I went up to the register. However, I was just kind of rolling with the punches. It worked out just fine anyways. But it definitely would have worked out a little bit better for me had I taken the time to do that. But I was in a little bit of a hurry. So anyways, if you all can find these Febreze holiday scents, they've got the cranberry tart, the apple cider, and then I also think that there's like a vanilla one and the winter spruce. Any of those scents, those are all on clearance right now for $2.25. We do have a $2.30 off one digital coupon, so that takes off the full amount. It takes off $2.25. Now, we also have these insert coupons that came in the $129 save insert, all right? And those also take off the full amount, $2.25. So there is a quick little freebie for you all. If you have those at your store, you can use the digital or the insert. Now, also, while I was there, I did check out the clearance section, and they had these Colgate Max Fresh Advanced Whitening Toothpaste on clearance for $1.50 each. So I ended up picking up two. And we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that is attaching to those, making those completely free. Now, like I said, I was doing this on 2 separate accounts. So unfortunately, when I threw in the Febreze with the TracFone, I was just a few cents shy of hitting that $25 subtotal, but that's okay. I'll go back and use it later. So, taking a quick look at my receipt here, here's the first one with the TracFone and the 2 Febreze Air Effects. My subtotal was just $9.99, so all those coupons came off no problem whatsoever. And check it out, those TracFones are normally priced at $30, so I got a $30 phone today for just $9.99 and 2 free Febreze Air Effects. Now, on the second one, again, I should have paid a little bit more attention and threw the Colgate in with my first transaction. However, it was just I was a little thrown off after she told me that I could only buy 1 per transaction per day or whatever it was. I was a little bit thrown off, but anyways, there is that. Everything came off just fine. Now, with this transaction, I also had to pick up some Werthers because I do have a sick kiddo. So my subtotal wasn't $9.99, but had I not picked up the Werthers, it would have been $9.99 as well. So there you all go. You got a super, super cheap phone that y'all can pick up at Family Dollar, a couple of freebies. Don't forget that those insert coupons and the digital coupons for the Febreze, I believe both of those expire this Saturday. So make sure that you use those before they expire. And then also a couple of free tubes of toothpaste if you guys can find these. Now, they may or may not be marked at your store. So if they're not marked, just either you can scan it with your phone if you get service in the store, or take them up to the front and have them price check it for you to make sure that they are $1.50 at your store. Now, for those of you all who stuck around until the end, here is a quick 5 off $25 scenario for you all if you want to wait till Saturday to do these deals. So here is my plan. Picking up 1 of the TracFones for $19.99, 2 of the Colgate Extra Whites for $1.50 each, and 2 of the Febreze Holiday Scents for $2.25. That puts our subtotal at $27.49. Use your 5 off 25, whether that is just for Saturday or if you create a new account and get an any day 5 off 25. Make sure that you have that one clipped to your account before you go to the store. The 10 off one TracFone coupon, the 3 off 2 Colgate, the $2.30 off one Febreze Digital, and I use that $2.30 off one for Breeze from the $129 save. If you don't have the insert coupons, just go ahead and swap that out for like the Febreze Warmer. We also have a $2.30 off one digital coupon for those, so it'd make it super cheap. After all of your coupons come off, $4.99 plus tax for all 5 items, making each one just $1 each. So you cannot beat that going out and picking up a phone for $1 each. That is a definite run deal. Now, while I have you all here, I do want to give you all a heads up that I will be posting another Family Dollar video tomorrow, going over a bunch of more good deals that we have going on at Family Dollar right now. We do have some more glitches that we need to talk about, and super cheap deals. Plus, I'm going to put together a few more 5 off $25 scenarios for you all. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but like I said, make sure that you stay tuned for some more amazing deals. And before you go, make sure that you're subscribed, turn on those notifications if you haven't already, and also do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.